The spoon that I'm using is a half teaspoon, so you're going to be seeing that I'm going to be using it 3 times for the rose hip seed oil. The oil that I have was one that I bought for the Ordinary, so I really like that oil. I saw that it really worked really good in my skin. The second ingredient, I'm using 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil. Just if you do find this oil, make sure that it is sweet. It has so many good benefits. The third ingredient I'm using is 3 capsules of pumpkin seed oil. You're able to cut them, and every single capsule measured exactly half a teaspoon, so I use 3 of those. I mix them very well, all the oils, before applying the gold leaf. The gold leaf, you have to make sure, you have to be careful, because once it comes in contact with anything, it just sticks. So I just added that to the little mixing spoon. The last item that I'm using is a half a teaspoon of lemon essential oil, but you could use lavender, you could use orange, or any other oils that will help your skin. You can mix it one more time to make sure that everything is well mixed and combined. I use one of those Ordinary bottles that I still had left. I was able to boil it to make sure that it was really clean, and now you can see how luxurious this elixir serum looks like, just mixing a few ingredients. I'm gonna apply this inside that bottle that I shared, but this is a big bottle. This is a 1 ounce. So as you can see, this recipe makes a little bit less than this bottle. What you could do is double the recipe, and it will be almost an ounce. I think this is a perfect recipe for yourself, or to give it for a nice present.